Hi, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author, and welcome to my quilting room. Today I am going to be showing you something very, very cool. It was sent to me by Ivy from Mollie Ollie, and so I am so stoked to show you this. So we're just going to jump right in. Okay, so as you can see, this was sent to me and it is awesome. I cannot wait to get it open and show you. It is teal and pink. It also comes in, I believe, teal and gray. And this is the Mimmo Caddy. And we're going to go ahead and open this on camera because I'm excited about this. I've been waiting just to show it to you. Oh, this is pretty cool. All right. So upon opening this, I can tell you right away that this is very well made. Very, very well made. Good craftsmanship. It's soft and it holds its shape pretty well even when it's not full. So it is empty. And as you can see, I'm just opening this up right now. So you're seeing it with your own eyes, how great this is. I'm taking all the special little packets out of there. All right, so it comes with these little inserts, and you can either make them one long piece or you can separate them. They are held together by Velcro. All right, so the exterior is like a very strong felt. It is lined absolutely beautifully. I'm going to put our inserts in here first, and you can see that inside it has a spot for the Velcro. So these pieces just Velcro in, and you could customize this any way that you would like, but I am going to use mine. I will show you here in just a sec when I get to put them in. Well, the Velcro is nice and strong, so there's that. So this is a really, really good quality. It is also chemical-free material. Just about ready to show you the big reveal here after I put these in. So, all right, so I've put them in there so you can see I have my separators there. You could leave this one off and just have it into two pockets if you wanted to do it that way. The handles make it really nice. They're actually pretty good, so you could actually put this on your arm if you were going somewhere like to a, I don't know, a crafting day, or if you were going to go to a quilting class or whatnot. It has 3 pockets in the front here. Okay. It has a bigger pocket over here on the side. It has 3 more pockets on the back side, and then it has this really nice zippered pocket over here. And this zipper pocket is great because it has a place for like your scissors or your pens and pencils and whatever else you might need to stick in there. But that's not all, because it also has another pocket in here. It's got another Velcro pocket that you can open up and stash smaller items in. So it's very, very good for that. I am really, really excited about this and happy because if you know me, you know that I have my sewing supplies all over in little buckets. How many times have I reorganized? So today we're going to put them in here. I'm going to show you how I'm going to organize this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I have my planner down here. I've shared with you my planner before. These are my stickers that I use for that because I love to put stickers on everything. So, but this is my planner. I did change it this year. You can see that this is where I do all the planning for my YouTube channel. So those are all the projects that we'll do for the month of October. And so I like to be nice and organized and planned out and all that good stuff. So I am going to put this in this pocket here because now I actually have a place to stick my planner. I'm also going to put my my quilt journal, which is where I'm writing down all of my projects. I also shared this with everybody. My good friend made this for me, so I'm going to stick that in that pocket. So now I have these right where I can get to them. Additionally, I made this the other day and showed this to you as well. This is going to have graph paper in it so that I can draw my patterns out, and that fits in there perfectly as well. So now you can see how organized that is, and I have it all in one place, and I love it, love it, love it. Okay, so we're going to move on, and I have some of this vinyl, this embroidery vinyl that I need to put in here because I just have it just laying around. So that fits in there, or I could actually, since I have enough room, I could actually put it in here. And I think I'm going to put it over here by these journals. I am going to put my gnome pattern here, and I like this because I can put patterns in here without losing them. So as you know, I've had all my patterns up here just sitting here waiting for us to do them. Well, now I have them in one centralized place instead of just kind of laying around. So I will put these in the smaller pocket there. And then I brought over a lot of stuff so that we could fill this up together. So I have this little storage bucket filled with just sewing notions. So I am going to, these are some of my clips that I have, just sewing clips, and those will fit. I'll make sure I'm not dropping stuff right there in this pocket here. So as you can see, I just put it right there. And then my friction pins, if I wanted to take them out, I actually have some friction. I have a friction pin right here, my red one. So I think what I'll do is I'm going to put it in here instead in one of these so that I have it when I need it. Just like that. Go. So put that in there. I'm not going to take these out completely, so I will go ahead and put these in this pocket here. And that way I have them when I need them. And they fit really perfectly in there. They're nice and snug, which is what I want because I don't want them falling out all over the place. And then you know I love my Sharpies. So I will put my Sharpies in here as well. Just like that. And that elastic holder holds 2 of my Sharpies. Okay, so there's that. My X-Acto blade, I could probably put that right here in this pocket here. I would keep it. I would keep this out because I use it so much to open boxes. I don't want to have to keep opening all the time. So in case you're wondering why I put that there, that is why. I have another pin. So you can see that this holds 3 of my Sharpies right there. So pretty happy about that. I'm gonna put another pin in here because, you know, why not now? No, I won't put that one in there. I have my pinking shears. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here by my X-Acto knife because there's plenty of room there. These are crafting scissors. They're not my good scissors, so I like that. These are my little fuzzy pens just because sometimes I like to write with those. You know what a little gadget person I am, so I do love those. This goes to my microphone, and so I am going to put that in here so I don't lose it. Actually, I'm going to put it in one of the smaller ones. But you can see that that's what holds my microphone. So I will put that over here so that I don't lose it, because it's really easy to lose things. I mean, if I wanted to also, if you have gadgets like this, you could also clip it onto the handle. And I might just do that instead. So clip that on there. I have small rulers that I like to use right here. These can go right here in my pocket, my small pocket. So you see how you can just organize everything that you need in one place. I mean, this is such a game changer for me. I'm so excited about this. So now I have all my little rulers and I don't have to guess where they're all at anymore. They're just all right here. My glass head pins. See, now those are just laying around on a table, and I don't use these all the time. I don't use them as much as I use my quilting clips. So I will go ahead and put these in this Velcro pocket to keep them in here and out of the reach of little ones, my grandchildren who come over and visit. I have a tape measure. I'm also going to stick that in here because, again, I don't use that type very often. So it's nice to have them just kind of stashed away. I have my hand sanitizer. Now, I could put that in here in one of these loops, or I could put it in a pocket. I'm going to put it in a pocket because, honestly, I use my hand sanitizer quite a bit. So I'll just stick it there. It's right where I need it. These little pieces, I know that this might seem like an odd thing, but these go to my little shop vac that I use, the one that you watched me decorate with Hello Kitty and Snoopy. Well, these, my dog tries to eat them. So again, I can put these in here and take these out of his reach. And, you know, I can just stick them in here so that when I need to use them, then I can use them. So those fit there like that. Okay. And then I can put some more in here because I have plenty of room still. These are just scraps. You could put fabric in here if you wanted to. This is a cord, a charging cord. So I am definitely going to put that in here in one of my loops. And that way I have my charging cord. I'm going to put my other pins in here. These are my other glass head pins. Stick those ones there. These are my sew tights. These are magnetic. I will put those over here because I use those when I do embroidery. And then, oh, I have another charging cord. So again, I'm going to just put these in these little loops here and keep everything nice and organized for myself. So now I don't have to guess where everything is anymore. I know exactly where they are. So I think we're done with this zippered pocket. So I'm just going to go ahead and zip this up now. And it has that beautiful pink satin lining in there. And it zipped up really nice, as you can see. And I still have plenty of room. I still have, these pockets are pretty full. And these pockets are full. So, but I still have this pocket over here that I need to fill up. And then I still have room where I have my patterns, and also in this other pocket where I have my clips, my sewing clips. So I also have this really cute Bluetooth record player that I like to listen to, but I don't always want to have it out. And so I could put that in there and store it that way if I wanted to, or I could use this for like my rotary cutters and things like that. So I think that's where I'll put my rotary cutters, is in here. And I have a lot of rotary cutters. So just bear with me. I want to make sure that they're all locked. And they are. Okay. We don't want to be cutting ourselves. I always store my rotary cutters face down so that you don't cut yourself. And my Fisker snips, I'm going to put those over here in this pocket here. Let's see what else I have in here. Not really anything. Just kind of a bunch of junk. Oh, my chalk pencil. That's not junk. Okay, so I have this chalk pencil. I'll put that in probably by my, no, I'll put it by my hand sanitizer. That seems to be a good place for it. So you get kind of the, you get the point here of what this works with. It's amazing. I love it. I've got my tape for when I do my embroidery, so I'll put that in there. I will put this in here for now since we're not doing anything with it, just sitting around in my craft room. And then I still have room, even though I have my my rotary cutters in there. So I will show you what else I could stick in here. I could stick my can of a 505 spray right there. And my stabilizer. So everything that you would need to grab real quickly can be put in here. Isn't that cool? Oh, and I still have one more pocket to fill. I still have a pocket to fill. All right, I found the perfect thing to fill it with. So I still have another one of those folios that I need to work on. And so that will fit right here. So this is where I would put projects that I'm currently working on. And then these are garden flags that I'm working on for my, my flag stand outside of my home. And so I like to embroider on those. And so I'm just going to stick that in there. And I have my whole bag, my whole caddy packed. It's sturdy. It's awesome. All right, so final thoughts of the Mimmo Caddy by Mollie Ollie. I think it's awesome. I love it. I would highly recommend it. It helps to organize things on your crafting space. It holds a lot of stuff, a lot. As you can see, we packed this pretty full and it's holding up great. And I'm so excited to have this in my craft room. I love this zipper pocket because it conceals some of the items that, you know, I really don't want out there, people seeing, pens, you know, chargers, whatnot. That is amazing. It is chemical-free material, like I stated before. It holds its shape even when it isn't full. So that's a major plus. And even better than that, right now, if you want to purchase one of these for a limited time only, you can get a 10% off discount if you use my code. It's 10 Anissa Craft. I'll post that down below in the description box with a link so that you can purchase that. I do believe. So anyway, I would like to say a special thank you to Ivy for sending this to me. You have a terrific product. I am very happy with this. And also, it doesn't just have to be for crafts. If you have a baby or a grandchild, you could put baby wipes and you could put diapers and clothing and all kinds of stuff in this. And it would also be great for traveling too. You could put snacks in there, all of the essentials that you would need. So it isn't just for sewing and whatnot. It has many, many uses. So if you're looking for something like this, then you'll want to definitely take advantage of that 10% off discount. It lasts for 2 weeks. And if you'd like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to share, that would be great because sharing is caring. And keep on crafting. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.